Johnny Depp is usually not particularly active on social media, but now the US actor has posted a post that caused a lot of stir. Actually, it's not about his new film City of Lies, German City of Lies. Amber Heard speaks on Johnny Depp. I will never apologize to him. The Aquaman actress claimed her ex-husband often put her in situations where she was confronted with unimaginable frustrations and difficulties, adding she would try to defend herself when he got serious. Ms. Heard has also denied allegations that she was often the one to start arguments with a Hollywood star, and she has alleged that she was afraid Mr. Depp was going to kill her at points in their relationship. Ms. Heard, 34, is giving her first of 3 days of evidence at the Royal Courts of Justice in London as part of the Mr. Depp's libel case against the Sun newspaper over a 2018 article that labeled him a wife-beater. Eleanor Laws, QC representing Mr. Depp, asked Ms. Heard if she ever got violent with Mr. Depp, to which the actress said, "No. Johnny often put me in a situation where I was confronted with unimaginable frustration and difficulties, often that were life-threatening to me." She added that she would try to defend myself when he got serious and when I thought my life was threatened, but I was never violent towards him. Heard asked for a restraining order Friday, claiming the two had had a fight the Saturday before, when Depp allegedly hit her with a thrown cell phone. She submitted photos which showed a bruising on her face as evidence in a court filing obtained by ABC News. Police responded to Depp and Heard's home May 21 and left after there was no evidence of any crime, the Los Angeles Police Department said last week. Her lawyers Samantha F. Spector and Joseph B. Koenig said today in a statement, as the result of Amber's decision to decline giving an initial statement to the LAPD, her silence has been used against her by Johnny's team. Amber did not provide a statement to the LAPD in an attempt to protect her privacy and Johnny's character. The statement continued, Johnny's team has forced Amber to give a statement to the LAPD to set the record straight as to the true facts. Amber can no longer endure the relentless attacks and outright lies launched against her character in the court of public opinion since the tragic events of May 21st. Heard's legal team added that the 911 call more than a week ago was made by a third party. This is a comment that can also refer to the ongoing dispute he is having in the court with ex-wife, movie star Amber Heard. The trial in Virginia is scheduled to continue in late April and is expected in the last 2 weeks. Depp and his ex-wife fought a real mud fight in court in London last year, including lots of unsavory details of their troubled relationship. In the trial, Depp fought against an article in the tabloid newspaper The Sun, published in 2018, in which editor-in-chief Dan Wootton Depp had called a woman's thug. He lost. On the other hand, the Pirates of the Caribbean star wants to proceed, he appealed. In a preliminary hearing in the penultimate week of March, Depp's lawyer argued that the case should be reopened in the face of the fresh evidence. In addition, his defense accused Heard of false statements and untrustworthiness. In this regard, it has been argued that Heard failed to live up to its announcement to donate the $7 million from her multi-million-dollar divorce from Depp to a children's hospital and civil rights organization. Accordingly, she only donated a portion of $100,000 of the promised amount to the children's hospital. The promise was a calculated and manipulative lie in order to achieve a positive effect, said Depp's lawyer. Among other things, Depp reported on how Amber once pooped into the marriage bed as a joke. For him, that was the moment when he knew that he wanted a divorce. The other side accuses the actor, however, in a malicious character. He is losing control, destroying hotel rooms, becoming violent. An audio file from 2015 is supposed to prove how Amber Heard attacked her husband. "I hit you, but I didn't fucking knock you down. But you are such a shitty baby. Cursed, finally grow up." She accused him again and again of having been violent towards her, even said, "He explicitly threatened to kill me several times." Depp is also said to have often been very drunk and consumed drugs. In court, the actress presented photos and videos as evidence. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard met in 2011 while filming the film The Rum Diary. The couple married in February 2015, but separated after 15 months of marriage and divorce in 2017. The Johnny Depp is suing his ex-wife and is demanding $50 million in defamation damages. In December 2018, The Washington Post, he had published an article in which Heard attacked Depp, accusing him of violence and abuse. The actress never mentioned him directly, as stipulated in the non-disclosure agreement signed at the time of the divorce, which took place in 2016. At the time, Amber Heard had stated that half of the $7 million check waiting for her would go to the ACLU charity, a body that fights for the protection of individual freedoms and civil rights. As reported by the Daily Mail, however, that article would not have been written by the actress herself. Heard claims the British tabloid, which got hold of burning emails, he would leave it to a member of the ACLU staff and then put his signature on it. The article infuriated Depp. While his name never appeared, it was easy to guess who he was referring to. For the star's attorney, Pirates of the Caribbean, it would therefore be a fake editorial. It was they who plotted against my client. The divorce between Depp and Heard came following the actor's allegations of abuse of his ex-wife. The Hollywood star claims the article violated their agreement due to references to their marriage and allegations of being a violent person. Now Depp and his lawyer want to get it straight. The two asked the ACLU if it really received the donation that Heard announced, and they wonder why the body appointed the Texan Esther ambassador for women's rights. The legal battle is only just beginning. Depp has been traveling with his band and promoting his new film. His lawyer Laura Wasser Friday submitted an opposition to Heard's court filing, claiming Amber is attempting to secure a premature financial resolution by alleging abuse. Johnny is currently out of the country for work. He is unable to attend the hearing on this matter, and he has not heard Amber's specific allegations against him. He nonetheless has every intention of staying away from Amber. Heard's legal team now says, "We took the high road and did not serve Johnny with a petition at the premiere of Alice Through the Looking Glass, May 23, with the intent of keeping it out of the media. Amber is simply a victim of domestic violence, and none of her actions are motivated by money," the attorneys added. Depp's 17-year-old daughter, Lila Rose Melody Depp, shared a photo of herself and her father on Instagram this weekend in support of the actor.